Learning how to add multiple videos together is one of the editing skills you should learn. Are you a content creator who is into vlogging or lifestyle or cooking content, and you are into AI content as well, but those videos you don't know how to join them together after making them? In this video, in our episode 1 of editing class, I'm going to be guiding you practical steps on how to add all your multiple scenes or all your multiple videos that you have recorded together. All you just need to do, you share this video and let's that benefit. All right, let's go. All right, so go ahead and open your CapCut, either iPhone or Android phone. So you click on new video. So now it's going to bring you here. So now when it bring you to your gallery, as a beginner, CapCut allow you to select multiple videos at a go. Meaning if you're a cooking vlog content creator, you can select your scenes at once. You can see, so I'm selecting 4 scenes. You can see the way I selected 4 scenes. I mean 4 videos at once. Then you click on add, okay? Now this is called automatic. You're selecting 4 videos at once. It is called automatic. So look at the 4 scenes here. Now adding these 4 scenes at once or selecting 4 videos at once and clicking on add is very fast and very okay. It saves you time. But let's assume you want to be adding the scene one after the other in order to edit perfectly. You can as well do it, which I'm going to be showing you now. Okay, so now look at the X at your top left. So go ahead and click on it. So when you click on it, we are going to be picking the video one after the other in order to be able to edit it as we want. So I will pick the first scene. Then I'll click on add. So now you can see I have just put the first scene. So I'm going to take away this watermark. So when you bring in the first scene, this white this thing allow you to add your video without scaling it, as like a better pass. This is better than using overlay. Okay, so I will click on the white plus button, then I'll pick the next scene that I want to, or the next video I want to. So I will click on add. So now you can see automatically that the 2 videos now have been added without me scaling, because that white button helped me to do so. So I'll pick another one. I'll click on add. You see, automatically everything scale. Nobody say you don't need to be using hand to be zooming in or zooming out or adjusting. So let's add the 4th video now. So this is how you add your videos manually, one after the other. And when you discover that there's no need to do any cut, I mean you don't have any SS parts you want to cut away, and you discover that everything is fine, the video is fine, you can go ahead and export your video. Remember, step 1 is you can either do it automatically. Step 1, you can either do it automatically, whereby you open your CapCut, then you make sure that all the videos you want to join together are ready. Then you select all of them at once. So when you select all the videos at once, you click on add. All the video will come into CapCut. All of them, they will come into CapCut. Or you can now choose to do it manually, whereby you bring in first the first video. So after bringing in the first video, maybe you cut away the parts that you don't want before adding the next video. So you click on that white plus button. It allows you to add a video without scaling. But if you're using overlay, you will now need to be zooming to scale proportionally. Okay, so this is how you actually add multiple videos as a beginner or as a content creator. So please share this video and let other benefit. All right, thank you.